Lesson 5, The Land of Ice and Snow. In this chapter, we will read about the frigid zones. As you know, it is very cold in the frigid zones. Most of the Greenland lies in the frigid zone of the northern hemisphere. Where does Greenland lie? It lies in the frigid zone of the northern hemisphere. The type of climate found in the frigid zone is called the polar climate. Both the North and the South Pole have polar climate. The North Pole lies in the Arctic Circle. Most of the Greenland lies in the Arctic Circle. You can see this, no? This is the circle. Thus, Greenland has a polar type of climate. Greenland is to the northeast of North America. Baffin Bay and Davis Strait separates it from the northern islands of Canada. The nearest European country to Greenland is Iceland. Can you see Iceland in the map? Yes, it is marked with red. So this is next to Greenland. Now this is the flag of Greenland. Star fact. The coastline of Greenland is 39,330 kilometers long. It is nearly equal to the circumference of the Earth at the equator. The name Greenland was given by Eric Red, a Norse explorer. Greenland is a part of Denmark and is the largest island in the world. Its capital is New Gotha. About 80% of the area is covered with ice and snow. The southwestern coast, where most of the people live in the warmest part of Greenland, sometimes large chunks or sheets of ice get separated and fall into the sea. The floating mass of ice in the sea is called iceberg. Icebergs are very dangerous for ships. Now this you must have noticed and seen in the film Titanic. The International Ice Patrol keeps a watch on icebergs. Climate. The climate of Greenland is called polar climate. It is very cold throughout the year. There is a little rainfall. The temperature is always below 0 degrees. During winters, one may not see the sun for several months. There is heavy snowfall. Chilly polar winds blowing at a speed of 160 km per hour lash most areas. In summer, it is bright and sunny. The sun shines brightly all 24 hours in most parts, but the temperature is still below 0 degrees. There are months of darkness in winters and months of daylight in summer. In this region, close to the poles, the sun does not set, but shines even at midnight during the summers. The strange occurrence is called midnight sun. Star fact. In 1912, Titanic, an ocean liner, sank after hitting an iceberg. It had 1,500 passengers. A famous movie has been made on this accident. Vegetation. Due to extreme cold, plant growth is not possible. Only plants that are found are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. There are no forests. Animal life. Only those animals that can adapt themselves to the extreme cold live here. Reindeer, polar bear, musk ox, Arctic fox, seal and huskies are found here. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. What are huskies? Wolf-like dogs. They are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. A sledge is called an ice boat. It has no wheels. Reindeer and seal are the most useful animals. Life of the people. Eskimos or Inuits are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Who are the inhabitants of Greenland? Eskimos or Inuits. They are short and stout. They have yellowish skin, high cheekbones and narrow eyes. They lead a very hard life. They are mainly hunters. They hunt seal, walruses, whale and polar bear. In the past, they used bows and harpoons to hunt. A harpoon is a long spear with a rope attached to it. They make a round hole on top of the frozen river or the edge of the sea. Then they wait for the fish, seal, etc. to come up to breathe. Then they pierce the animal with the harpoon. Nowadays, rifles are used for hunting. Boats called kayaks are used for hunting sea animals. These boats are made of seal skin. For hunting whales, a large boat called umiak is used. The fat or blubber of seal and whale is used as fuel. It is burned to give heat and light. Fishing has become a major industry. Most of the fish caught are exported after processing. The seal and reindeer are very useful. They provide meat to eat and their skin are used for making clothes, boats and tents. Star fact. The word Eskimo means eater of raw flesh. Raw flesh means kacha. The people of Greenland speak Greenlandic. The people wear clothes made from seal, walrus and reindeer skin. Waterproof shoes are made of seal skin. Jackets with hood lined with fur are worn by men, women and children. Such a jacket is called parka. Houses. Eskimos call their houses igloo. Igloos can be made of ice, wood, stone or animal skin. In winters, they use thick blocks of ice to make igloos. They can build these houses in 2 or 3 hours. In summers, they live in skin tents called topics. Modern times in Greenland. The life of Eskimos has undergone many changes in recent times. Eskimos today use motorized sledges called skidoos for transport. They use motorized boat for fishing. Nowadays, there are good roads and a fine network of communication. Schools, colleges and hospitals have been opened. Some towns have air links with Denmark and North America. This has brought them closer to the rest of the world. Now that was about Greenland. Now let me check how much you understood the lesson. Tick the right answer. Number 1. The dogs which help the Eskimos are called huskies, dholes, hunters. Correct answer is huskies. The native people of Greenland are called Bedouins, Eskimos, Bheels. The correct answer is Eskimos. Greenland lies in the temperate zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. What is the correct answer? Frigid zone. Fourth one, the capital of Greenland is Iceland, Nuuk, Norway. Which is the correct answer? Nuuk. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1, the temperature of Greenland is mostly below 0 degree. Number 2, the area around the North Pole is covered with the Dash Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Number 3, the Baffin Bay separates Greenland from Dash, Northern islands of Canada. Number 4. Greenland was discovered by Eric the Red. Number 5. Huge pieces of ice floating in the sea are called icebergs. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Eskimos lead an easy and comfortable life. This is false. Number 2. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. This is true. Number 3. Blubber means bones of whale. This is false. Number 4. Skidoos are motor boats. False. It is motor sledge. Number 5. Eskimos are also called Inuits. This is correct. Now you will find the answers to the questions given in your book.